arithmetic progression, we are going to prove that sum of m plus n terms is 0 when sum of first m terms and sum of first n terms are same. Let's write the formula for sum of first m terms and then write the formula for sum of first n terms. Then the problem is saying sum of first m terms is equal to sum of first n terms, and it's asking us to prove that sum of first m plus n terms is 0. Since sum of first m terms and sum of first n terms are equal, we are going to write their formulas are equal. That will give us a new equation. From this equation, let's eliminate this 2 from both sides of the equation. For that, let's multiply both sides of this equation by 2, and that will eliminate 2 from both sides of the equation. That will give us a new equation. Now let's multiply each inner term at left side by m and each inner term at right side by n. Now from this equation, again let's multiply the inner term m and minus 1 by m and inner term n and minus 1 at right side by n. Now again in this equation, let's multiply the each inner term m square and minus m by d, and then right side each inner term n square and minus n by d. Now we are going to move all the terms in the right side to left side. That will make our right side 0. Now let's rearrange this equation and bring all the like terms together. Now from this new equation, for the first and second term, 2 times a1 is the common factor. Let's take it out. Then for the third and the fourth term, d is the common factor. Let's take it out. For the fifth and the sixth term, minus d is the common factor. Let's take it out. Now we get this new equation. From this new equation, for the second term, m square minus n square, let's rewrite this as a m plus n times m minus n. So we got this new equation. In this new equation, m minus n is the common factor. So let's take the m minus n out. Now that will make our equation m minus n times 2 times a1 plus d times m plus n minus d equal to 0. So from this equation we get two equations. One is m minus n equal to 0 and another one is 2 times a1 plus d times m plus n minus d equal to 0. For the first equation, our problem is saying m cannot be equal to n. So m minus n cannot be equal to 0. Because of that, we are going to neglect this equation and going to work on with our second equation. In the second equation, d is the common factor for the second and the third term. So let's take d out, and that will make this equation 2 times a1 plus d times m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. Now let's keep this equation here and let's work on proving that sum of m plus n terms is 0. For that, let's use the same formula, sum of first m terms, and replace m with m plus n. That will make that formula look like this. In this formula, the inner term 2 times a1 plus m plus n minus 1 times d is 0, and we already derived it here. So let's replace this entire term by 0, and that will make this sum of m plus n equal to m plus n divided by 2 times 0. Hence we prove that sum of m plus n terms is 0.